Grigori Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 31st day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 31st day of the month, you should concentrate on the isolated areas of any particular volume. Let's imagine that there is a tree growing on some plot of land. You realize that under the tree is the earth, and that above and around it is the air. All of these separate areas come together in your consciousness because of the fact that you see in all of them the eternal recreation of life. Life is eternal. You should recognize this. Remember it while you're observing the surrounding world, while you are experiencing it and becoming immersed in it. And the recognition of this truth will come to you. Yes, indeed, life is eternal. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, 6. 9-digit sequence. 1, 8, 5, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise number 3. Concentrate upon yourself on this day. You are absolutely and completely healthy, and everyone around you is healthy as well. The world is eternal. All events in life are creative in their nature. Always see everything in a positive light, and everything around you will always develop in a favorable direction. These words are from Grigori Grabovoi. I would like to add a few more comments to the proposed series of exercises. Let me remind you once again that you determine yourself the number and length of the concentration sessions. It is also up to you to decide what result is the most important for you to achieve in any given moment, what you are primarily striving to accomplish. When you wish to obtain a desired result by a particular date, add this time to the set goal and try to achieve it through your concentration techniques. Remember that all of the exercises are creative in nature. They will assist you in your further personal growth and development. With the help of these exercises, you will grow spiritually, and this will help you perform them at a higher level in the future, guaranteeing your continued development ad infinitum. Quite soon, you'll notice that your life has begun to change for the better. To be more precise, however, it must be said that you yourself have started to improve it, that you have begun to take control of your life. These techniques and exercises will develop your consciousness. They will influence the direction of your life's events in a positive way. They will help you achieve perfect health and be in tune with the pulse of the universe.